Good morning. Today's meditation will guide you to connect with your heart, to fill your heart with gratitude, and set your day's intention. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, release slowly. Deep breath in, feel the expansion in your body. Exhale, release. Begin to soften. Inhale, breathe in fresh new energy, open up to new possibilities. Exhale, allow all possibilities to flow effortlessly around you. Continue to deepen your breath at your own pace. Notice the gentle flow of air coming in and out. Notice your body gently expanding and releasing with every breath. Notice how effortlessly the breath flows in and out. Now I invite you to place your left hand on your heart, right hand over the left. Pay attention closely. See if you can feel your heartbeat. Now I'll guide you through some questions that will help you focus on what matters most to you right now in this moment. No need to think about it too much. Just see what comes up when you listen to your heart. And feel free to pause this meditation at any moment if you need a bit more time. What are you most grateful for today? Allow gratitude to fill your heart. What do you want to create today? What do you want to experience today? What do you want to enjoy today? How do you want to feel today? Now set your day's intention. Include how you want to feel and what you want to create or enjoy or experience in the present tense. Now notice how you feel. Perhaps a bit more relaxed, more centered, more grounded, more grateful, more peaceful and at ease. Know that you can always come back to this feeling when you practice. I invite you to write your intention down and carry it with you throughout your day. Whenever you have to make a decision or a choice today, make sure to look back at your intention and see if it truly aligns. That way you'll make the wisest decision and the best choice. The one that truly aligns with what you want and what's most important for you. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Thank you for sharing this practice with me. From my heart to yours, namaste. Thanks again for sharing this practice with me. If you enjoy this morning practice and would like to start a peaceful and feel-good morning routine, if you want to start your day with more calm and focus and lead your day with ease, then Rise and Shine, an invitation for a fresh start every day, is for you. You can check out all the details in the link below. When you sign up, you'll receive immediate access to a welcome ceremony where you're going to learn and practice the most powerful way to start creating what you want in your life. You'll get a morning practice every day of the week, including yoga and meditations, so you can start your day with intention and purpose, all in less than 30 minutes per day. Plus, you'll get a morning journaling guide so you can be intentional and lead a life you love. Learn more with the link below, and I'll see you inside. From my heart to yours.